everybody, how's it going? This is Dani, the Wicked Awesome Gardener, and we're back here at the homestead. We've got Ro down in the back room finishing up all the trash in there, and I'm going to start scrubbing in this kitchen because, we don't know where Bug is today. We heard a quick little meow and caught a glimpse of her in the yard, but she hasn't come in, which is too bad because we brought her some food. So yeah, we're just up here to clean. I shot some more TikTok videos because the TikTok has been bananas. And what was that? Oh, Rose got her earbuds in, so she can't even hear me. She must have been snapping up some of that styrofoam board, but whoo, scared me a little bit there. Yeah, so we haven't seen the kitty. TikTok's going bananas. I think probably by this evening I'll have 20,000 followers over there, which is nuts. And one of those 20,000 is Rosie O'Donnell. Like, how nuts is that? Yeah, so I think actually I'm going to take you for a little walk around the homestead first and show you kind of some of the stuff that's going on, and then I'm finally going to do some cleaning. So we had the electrician come through and give a real thorough go through of the whole house, and it needs about $2,400 worth of work for that because it needs a new distributor from the pole to the house. We're upgrading the electrical box, all of these outlets. Like, this is a GFCI outlet, but like, look at that. It's I don't know, the wall's exposed. This just, some of the things in here kind of give me the heebie-jeebies, but $2,400 worth of work, and that's a lot of work that he's going to do. So here's the most drastic change, and so we took out this wall here because this flimsy particle board was broken and sagging. So we're going to go ahead and fix this because this was already busted at the bottom and they had repaired it. My kick kind of broke it, and you'll see here. Admittedly, I had too much fun with that. Felt like doing a little demo there, but we're going to replace that, and there's some debate over whether we're going to have this remain a bathroom. Ro has said that she might prefer having a closet to having her own bathroom. I don't know, because as a realtor, having an extra bathroom is a selling point. Having 1.5 baths is a thing, and I am thinking about the resale value here. So that may change. Let's see. Let's take a little walk to the porch, and you can see all the lovely garbage that has been removed from the house. That porch will be a project that happens when we move in. There's definitely a lot to do back there. Again, I wish I had a flashlight so I could show you the bathroom. Oh, you can kind of see it. 2 sinks. There's a cutout in the tub, so we can't take baths, which makes me sad. And here's Ro, who probably doesn't know they're on camera.
Jesus.
Sorry, I thought you saw when I closed the door.
That way.
Okay. All right, and here's Ro doing the last of the cleanup in this bedroom full of stuff. And I scared the hell out of her when I came in the room. Since we have a little light, I'm going to show you what they were using to heat this house. This is the interesting part. So here is an ancient, rusted out wood stove. Oh, it's covered in dust. And it's got a box fan that pushes the air through that window into the house. Yeah. That can't stay. I hear the kitty. Bug. Where are you, baby? Meow. Come on, kitty. Why won't you come out? Come on, kitty. Meow. Come on, we got foods for you. Come on up.
Hi, sweetie pie.
Come on.
Maybe
She's
I'll
like,
go get the food.
snow, wet paws.
Hi.
Oh, she's like, let me in the house. She seems so very at home here. And check it out. We've got all of our flooring. We've got 20 boxes of this flooring that I got on clearance at Home Depot, and I love it. It's gorgeous. And it was cheap. 85 cents a square foot, and that's enough for the kitchen, the living room, and the hallway to the back bedroom. Now for the addition. This is about 540 square feet, and it's on like 2 levels. There's what looks like they were roughing in is a kitchen over here, and then there's this room, and then there's this room. And I don't know quite what they were doing back here, if it was supposed to be like a bedroom with a master bath. That would be really cool if we could refinish this. That I would not use as a kitchen. I would maybe make it like another bedroom or an office, because it is big enough to be a bedroom. And then this would be kind of a living room space. I could refinish it, make that a kitchen, make that a bedroom and a bathroom that you enter through here, and this is a living room. So it could be a little 1-bedroom apartment. I could rent that out, or who knows. But I think that it's just too damaged. The roof has probably failed a bit. At least I'm sure it's failed in the back, because there are some of these rafters here that are water damaged. So I don't know that I want to take on this massive project, because the outside is really bad too. So a lot of it would have to be pulled off, redone, and I don't think that that is the project for me. Also, I've recently decided that I'm only finishing the mobile home unit to live in while I pay off the property, and then maybe for a little while after, while I save some money, develop the land around it. And then I think the plan is going to be to sell the mobile home unit. Somebody will buy that, I promise, for all those people who followed me over for TikTok for the hate because you think it's worthless. It's not. It is not. It's actually perfectly serviceable. It may need some work, but it's fine. Trust me. So I think what I'm going to do is I'll sell that. I might even just give it away to the right people, and then put a modular home here, or possibly a log cabin. I think log cabin, New Hampshire, the setting here on the river, it really lends itself to a log cabin build. So we might do that. And if we do that, this doesn't fit. So this may come down, repurpose the materials for the goat barn, and build a porch off the back here so that you can sit out, look at the river, have your coffee. So I'm going to look at a few different things. It's not a death sentence for this edition yet, but we'll just have to see. But all in all, I'm pretty excited. Oh, you know what? We're going to back up, because I put a poll up on YouTube. You guys looked at both colors, and almost everybody said blue beads. Well, you're all wrong. It's glass sapphire or nothing. I'm just messing with you guys. But yeah, glass sapphire, that's where it's at. One more thing I need to mention before we go into our speed cleaning montage, which is oddly soothing, is talk about these cabinets. Now, a lot of people on TikTok were saying, I hope you save the cabinets. And I really want to. Like, I think At least these top cabinets I'd like to try and save, but the bottom cabinets, there's a problem. The cat has been in them a lot. Let's take a look. So you can see inside here that there is a lot of cat feces. So I think while Bug was living in here, she was pooping in here a lot. And then when I opened this one, that's not cat poop. That is some huge rats. Yeah, then again, there's some gerbil food. Maybe the gerbil got lost and was hiding in here, but I'm gonna go with rats. So cat poop all over the floor of the cabinets. Pretty sure she was peeing in there too, and that's going to smell really bad. So I think we're gonna have to get rid of that. And that means new countertops. So big new expense just added. But, you know, I'm going to hit the Habitat for Humanity restore and we'll go from there. And you know what? That actually gives me a benefit that I really actually am happy about, because I'm going to try to fit in a dishwasher. In the meantime, we really do need to get rid of all this mouse poop. So cleaning montage. I did it again. I was up there just doing stuff and shooting video, and I forgot to sign off. So thank you again so much for watching. I promise we'll be getting back to actual gardening content this week. I have been out here in the garden and planted some peas yesterday. It was really nice to be out getting my hands in the dirt. Thought about filming a video, but you know, it's been crazy couple of busy weeks, and I figured I don't have to film everything. And I think that's a trap that a lot of content creators fall into, is they feel like they have to film everything, or they may as well not film anything. I don't want to do that, but I did enjoy planting my peas. I'll be out here doing some planting of lettuces and kales and leafy greens in the next few days. I've got seeds started inside that I'll have to show you guys when they start popping up. Definitely late and behind on that. I gotta update you guys on so much. I got a major mail call with a whole bunch of things to show you, seed hauls, mail from other channels that I love, things like that, that I gotta show you guys. There's a lot that I have on my list to film, but I am in tech for the next 2 weeks for my theater company's show Next to Normal. I'm the assistant stage manager there, so I'm going to be pretty much held up on that. Plus, Matilda rehearsals are still ongoing, so yikes. But I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.